Okay. Woohoo! Did Thomas go off the track?
No, birds, Billy. No, James.
Oh, James's turn.
Aw.
Uh-oh. Maybe-
Oh, Jack.
You want to try the green car?
No, James.
Oh, it's still James' turn?
No. Aw.
Uh-oh, James.
Oh, Jack. Hey, lost.
Is there a crack? Look at this. Look at this. Is there a crack in the track?
No.
No?
Jack.
Is that a crack in the track?
Yes.
A crack in the track? Okay, let's try it again.
James. James.
Okay.
Hey,
Okay, James. Okay, James, don't fall down. Uh-oh. I think you should try a car. Want to try a car? Uh-oh, hold on. We have to fix this up.